First-time home buyers seminar. Each attendee will receive a Century 21 Olympian Buyers Guide. The guide will include the tips and tricks to buy a great home. This introduction will cover 1. An introduction to Century 21 Olympian Area Specialists from the broker Stephen G. Williams. 2. What type of home are you looking for, you or your family, Stephen G. Williams. 3. Search for a home using www.searchhousetonamiznow.com. 4. Your credit and where you need to be to buy your first home, James Lee, Amcap Mortgage. 5. The buying process. 6. Inspections and negotiation. 7. Preparing to move into your home. 8. Incentives from Century 21 Olympian agents to help with your purchase.